Listen up on NFM. Skilashi. Yay! It's the undisputed king of crews.
So guys, I'm headed to the gym now and I am wearing my Africa gym wear. I got this gym wear off of Instagram and it's actually really good. What do you think? I think I like it. It does a good job. Oh, I'm wearing my waist trainer just in case you can see this. I don't know if it will make any difference with my gymming, but maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. There's only one way to find out, but yeah. Good morning, guys. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, hey you, my name is Oinko and you are definitely welcome. Please do well to hit that subscribe button and join this family. I would definitely love to have you over here. I'm in a really good mood today, maybe because I was able to film 2 YouTube videos. I woke up really early, not that early if I'm being honest. I woke up at like 6. I usually wake up a bit earlier than that. That's why 6 isn't classified as really early for me. So I woke up at like 6 and I lazed about in bed for like 2 hours, and then I started doing my makeup, started getting ready to film my videos by like 8. So I did my makeup and I was successfully able to film 2 videos before 10:30 a.m. and that's including my makeup time. Like what? I'm so happy. Now I don't know if I should just go to the gym now because your girl is trying to stay fit, but I'm on the night shift today, so I can afford to go to the gym in the evening if I plan my day well, you know. So I'm thinking I might just go in the evening, mostly because I don't feel like wiping this makeup off. It looks really good. I don't know if I should just maximize it and film another video. I don't know. But are you guys feeling my background? Are you? Tell me that you're feeling the background. Just tell me that you're feeling the background. I am so excited, you guys. I don't even know why I'm excited. So I'm actually trying to tidy up my house a little and, you know, put my filming things in a place and, you know, get ready for my day. Well, for the rest of my day, because I already started my day. But yeah, that's what I'm currently up to. And I hope you guys are having a nice day, because I'm actually having a good day so far and I'm loving it. So I really hope that you guys are having a nice day too. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I can, but I just wanted to check in on you and check how you guys are doing. I am actually just realizing that the thing looked like I was topless the entire time, which is why I decided to bring it down a little so that you guys know that I'm not being nude on YouTube. I'm actually wearing an off-shoulder top. Like, I really like off-shoulder tops. I think I mentioned that earlier, and I'm just gonna put this thing down here so that you guys can see that I'm not naked. I ain't naked on YouTube. I decided to pack my hair like this today because I didn't want anything to be in my front. I didn't want anything in my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up and I'll be right back.
Everything got harder now, 'cause they're all in fear of you, knowing what they're harboring, knowing what they'll do.
Hey guys, so I'm headed to the gym, and today unfortunately I'm not going to be able to take a walk to the gym because I have to go to work. If you can see, I look kind of tired, and that's because I was on night shift. I've been on night shift for about 2 days now, and when I got back from work I was so tired I just decided to sleep. Do you understand? So I'm just waking up now and I want to go to the gym before I have to go to work again this night. So I don't have the time to walk to the gym today. I just want to get in as much cardio as I can, and then I would, you know, come back home and get ready for work. That sounds like a plan, right? Doesn't it? You guys, the streets were calling my name. I just had to walk, so I'm walking to the gym now. I know I said I wasn't going to walk, but fam, the streets were literally calling my name. Once I just stepped out in the streets and I saw it, I'm like, fam, I'm gonna take a walk. So here I am taking a walk. So quick on guys, I'm actually getting ready for work and NEPA took the light. They're actually very rude. Like, how dare they take the light when I'm getting ready for work? Anyways, I completed my 10,000 steps today. I haven't been able to complete my 10,000 steps in a bit because I've been really busy with work. So I usually hover around that 7k step mark, but today I made it a point of duty to complete my 10,000 steps before I go out, and I have done that. So your girl is pretty excited. Anyways, I'm gonna order my boat ride now because I'm already running late. I'm supposed to be at work for 8 and the time is, you guys see what I was telling you about the tangling. It's actually tangling a bit, but the good thing is I have the extension. Once it starts to tangle too much, I can actually just, you know, replace the curly bits. But yeah, I'm trying to fix my hair in a way that can be acceptable for work. I'm not trying to carry microbes on my hair when I'm coming back home. So I usually pack my hair up in a bun before I go to work. Now I'm using a lamp to record this video because I am stepping out. Actually, I'm stepping out now and there's no point turning on the generator. I'm just using a lamp to record this bit just in case the picture quality isn't that good. You already know why. So this is how I usually look when I'm going to work. Sometimes I just tuck this in as well, just because, you know, work is different. We're not doing fashion parade when we're at work. Work is work. So this is how I look when I'm going to work. Night shifts is going okay. I wanted to check in on you guys and tell you that your girl is still at work. Time is currently 4:52, so I'm just going to start giving some medications now because I'm actually supposed to give some medications to some patients around now. So good morning guys. So my night shift is almost over. Time is currently 6:40 and the shift ends by 8, and then we start handing over our patients to the team that's coming over. But that handover, yeah, sometimes it takes up to 2 hours, so I may not even end up leaving here till about 10. But I just decided to take a walk so I can stretch my legs a little, you know. This shift wasn't actually that bad. It was a relatively calm shift. So but yeah, I have quite a bunch of things I need to do today. I need to go to the gym because I haven't really been consistent this week. I've only gone to the gym twice and today is already Friday and the gym doesn't open on Sundays and I've only gone twice, so I definitely need to go today. Then I need to clean and then go to the market, although I'm thinking of outsourcing the cleaning, asking someone to come and clean for me because I don't think that I'll have the time to clean and cook and all of that at the same time. I still go to the gym. You guys, I am so upset. I don't know if I told you guys that I asked my cleaning lady to come and clean the house. I have someone who comes to clean my house like once in every 2 weeks, and she told me she was going to come by 10 a.m. The time is currently almost to 1:50 p.m. and she's not here, and I've been waiting for her all since, although I got back from work by like 10 a.m. So I decided to rest for a little bit because I wanted to go to the market, cook, go to the gym, and I thought that she would be cleaning while I go to the market. But she has just disrupted my plans because she's not here. The time is 1:50. I've been trying to call her, I can't reach her, so obviously that plan is not going to work. I'm going to have to clean my house myself because it needs deep cleaning. She's usually the one who does the deep cleaning, you know. I just do surface cleaning within the week and she does the deep cleaning. Anyways, let's go to the market. We're going to the market together. Oh, I'm wearing my Mama Madu clothes. That's what I call this dress. It's like my house dress that I just wear when I'm going to the market or somewhere where I don't want them to charge me too much money, because you know Nigeria, if you start to look too good, they're going to sell things to you as a premium, and fam, I don't have money for that, you know. So I'm just wearing my Mama Madu clothes so that they will not charge me too much money in the market.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
People of the Most High God, things are so freaking expensive in the market. What? See these 3 tiny pieces of things that they want to refer to as yams, and I got these 3 things for 2,000 naira. This skinny plantain is 500 naira, and they're just literally 5 sticks on the plantain, 5 fingers, so that's like 100 naira per finger. What the hell is happening? Why is it so expensive? Like, I was legit shook at how expensive things are in the market. What? Like, the money I took to the market today, if I took it to the market in December, I swear I would have bought more things. I would have legit bought more things. The inflation rate in Nigeria is too crazy. Like, how do they expect people to survive? I'm not even just understanding what's happening. I'm really not. Anyways, enough of the ranting. I saw a recipe on Diary of a Kitchen Lover. I think that's her page on Instagram and on YouTube about Nsala soup. So guess who is going to be cooking Nsala soup? Me! I am going to be cooking Nsala soup. If you don't know, Nsala soup is white soup. It's an Igbo soup. I am Yoruba, so I mean, if you look at it that way, I shouldn't be cooking Nsala soup. But guess who is going to be eating Nsala soup? Me. Because why not? Do you understand? Why actually not? I actually bought chicken, and I bought fresh chicken, because there's this flavor that fresh chicken gives to your food. Is better than frozen chicken, in my opinion. That tiny chicken that you see that I bought was a 2,800 naira. Like, I'm actually mind blown. Like, 2,800 for that tiny chicken. What? Actually, what? Anyways, I also bought fresh fish. I think I'm going to be using fresh fish to cook my Nsala soup, and I'm going to be using the chicken to make my Nigerian tomato stew. I hope it makes sense at the end of the day. This is my first time of making Nsala soup. You guys, fingers crossed it makes sense, because if it doesn't make sense, child, we're going to eat it with love and affection like that though. We are going to all eat it with love and affection in this family like that, period. Because no wasting food. None. We're not having any of that. No wasting food. So people of God, this is my Nsala soup. Does it actually look like Nsala soup? I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure, but I just followed the recipe, and this is the consistency. I don't know if it looks like it. I think it does. I'm not sure if it tastes like it, but I used the Nsala spice, so I guess it should. But yeah, this is my Nsala soup. I'm over here making a pot of Nigerian stew. So pot of stew is ready. You guys, you see that thing I did where I first of all put the tomatoes and coal in the oven first before I made the stew? I promise you want to try that. You actually want to try that. Come and thank me later. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button down below to join this family, and guys, share this video with everyone who cares to watch it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.